Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Vybz Kartel Retrial hearing, a saga that has gripped not just Jamaica, but the world. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be a roller coaster of legal drama and intrigue. The background before we jump into the nitty gritty, let's set the stage. Vybz Kartel, a titan of dancehall music, was convicted in 2014 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. It was a trial that had all eyes on Jamaica, lasting 64 days and becoming one of the longest in the country's history. Fast forward to now, and there's a chance for a retrial. But why? The Privy Council in London quashed the convictions, citing issues with the original trial, and now it's up to the Jamaica Court of Appeal to decide what's next. Day 1, June 10th, 2024. The first day of the hearing was electric. The courtroom was packed to the rafters with an overflow room needed just to handle the crowd. The prosecution, led by Claudette Thompson, pushed for a retrial, while the defense was having none of it. They argued that a fair retrial wasn't possible due to the extensive publicity the case had received. And the judges, they were concerned about the backlog of retrial cases and what that meant for justice being served. Day 2, June 13th, 2024. On the second day, the prosecution tried to justify the delay in the retrial, but they faced tough questions from the judges. They needed to prove that despite the time that had passed, a retrial would still be fair. The defense highlighted the constitutional right to a fair trial within a reasonable time, questioning whether that was still achievable. Day 3, June 14, 2024. The third day brought concerns about Kartel's health to the forefront. Reports suggested his heart functionality was in question, raising doubts about his ability to endure another trial. The day ended without a ruling, leaving everyone on the edge of their seats. The judges' response throughout the hearing. The judges, especially Justice McDonald Bishop, were vocal about their concerns. They questioned the feasibility of a fair retrial, and the prosecution struggled to answer their probing questions. It was clear that the judges were not going to let anything slide. The legal implications. This case isn't just about Vybz Kartel. It's about the Jamaican legal system. It's a test of the system's ability to handle high-profile cases fairly and efficiently. The Privy Council's decision has set a precedent, and now the Court of Appeals has to navigate these choppy waters. So what are the chances? Let's talk probabilities. The prosecution has a tough road ahead. They have to overcome the publicity issue and ensure all witnesses are available for a retrial. I say they have a 35% chance of securing a retrial. The defense, on the other hand, is riding high on the Privy Council's decision and the judge's skepticism of the prosecution's arguments. They're looking at a solid 65% chance of dismissal. Closing thoughts, folks. This case is a landmark one. It's about justice, celebrity, and the power of the legal system. No matter which way it goes, it's going to leave a lasting impact. That's all for today's deep dive. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the case. Until next time, stay informed and keep the conversation going.